Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue past perfect continuous, past perfect tense, and in past perfect tense there is a helping verb which is used is had, right? So there is three parts: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. And interrogative there is two parts A and B. In affirmative, first thing is that there is only one helping verb is used. There is no confusion in past perfect tense. First is subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Full stop. In negative sentences, subject plus had not plus verb third form plus object. And in interrogative, had plus subject plus verb third form plus object. So this is the example of interrogative A, and in B section, WH words plus had. Had is a helping verb, then subject, then verb plus object plus question mark. Right. First thing is that this is helping verb and this is verb, or we can say that main verb. Right. So these are the structure of past perfect tense. So firstly screenshot of that part, then we can move on examples. मैंने रात के खाने से पहले अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया था. So first is मैंने, it means I had. Nothing you have to think, just write it the had. Then verb third form, I had completed my homework. अपना का homework, it means my homework before dinner. Dinner it means रात का खाना, right? मैं रात के खाने से पहले अपना होमवर्क नहीं पूरा किया था. I had not completed my homework before dinner. Full stop. क्या मैंने रात के खाने से पहले अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया था? Had I completed my homework before dinner? Full stop. Next is मेरे आने से पहले वह स्कूल जा चुकी थी. कौन जा चुकी थी? She had. जा चुकी it means go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. So this is the verb third form. So we can use here gone. She had gone to school before I came. Right. मेरे आने से पहले वह स्कूल नहीं जा चुकी थी या नहीं गई थी. She had not gone to school before I came. Full stop. क्या मेरे आने से पहले वह जा चुकी थी? Had she gone to school before I came? Come. Right. Question mark. बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने खेल लिया, क्रिकेट खेल लिया था. होने से उन्होंने they had played cricket before rain or raining. बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने क्रिकेट नहीं खेला था. They had not played cricket before rain. Full stop. क्या बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने क्रिकेट खेल लिया था? Had they played cricket before rain question mark. So these are the firstly this is the structure and you have to write all the solution in the basis of these structures, right? So screenshot of that part, then we will move on. Last 7 questions. वह अपने पिता के आने से पहले पत्र लिख लिया था. वह it means he had written a letter before his father arrived. Full stop. वह अपने पिता के आने से पहले पत्र नहीं लिखा था. He had not written a letter before his father arrived. क्या वो अपने पिता के आने से पहले पत्र लिख लिया था? Had he written a letter before his father arrived? Question mark. फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले हमने खाना खा लिया था. फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले हमने खाना खा लिया था. It means the subject is we. We had eaten food before the movie started. Full stop. फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले हमने खाना नहीं खाया था. We had not eaten food before the movie started. क्या हमने फिल्म शुरू होने से पहले खाना खा लिया था? Had we eaten food before the movie started? Question mark. हमारे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन निकल चुकी थी. It means when they are arrived here, the station will be left. So what we will write here, हमारे पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन निकल चुकी थी. We had the station, the train left before we arrived to the station. Right. हमारे स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन नहीं निकली थी. The train had not left before we arrived to the station. Full stop. Last is the क्या हमारे पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन निकल चुकी थी? So it is the question part. Had the train arrived, left before we arrived to the station, right? And one thing is also that when the train will left, we can say that departure, and when the train will be come, we can say that arrive. Even when the students or someone will be come on any place, so we can use arrive also. Like I said right here, arrived. Father arrived. It means he comes to home and he had written a letter, right? So arrived is used in place of come, came, right? And departure is used for actually departure is mostly used for train, and for humans also we can use it. So these are the examples. So firstly screenshot of that part. Then we have only 4 questions left. मेहमानों के आने से पहले उसने खाना बना लिया था. किसने? She. A girl. She cooked food. She had cooked food before guests arrived or came. Right? मेहमानों के आने से पहले उसने खाना नहीं बनाया था. She had not cooked food before guests came. क्या उसने मेहमानों के आने से पहले खाना बना लिया था? Had she cooked food before guests came? Question mark. परीक्षा से पहले हमने पाठ याद कर लिया था. हमने it means we had learned the lesson before exams or examination, whatever you can write, it's all up to you. परीक्षा से पहले हमने पाठ नहीं याद किया था. We had not learned the lesson before exam. क्या हमने परीक्षा से पहले पाठ याद कर लिया था? Had we learned the lesson before exam? Question mark. शाम से पहले उन्होंने पार्क की सैर कर ली थी. सैर it means visited. किसने? उन्होंने. They had visited the park before evening. उन्होंने शाम से पहले पार्क की सैर नहीं की थी. They had not visited the park before evening. क्या शाम से पहले उन्होंने पार्क की सैर कर ली थी? Had they visited the park before evening? Question mark. Right. So these are the 9 examples and the 1 example is left. So firstly, screenshot of that part, then we will move on last example and then past perfect continuous tense. So next is बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने दरवाजा बंद कर लिया था. उसने दरवाजा बंद कर लिया था. उसने it means he had closed the door before the rain started. Full stop. बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने दरवाजा नहीं बंद किया था. He had not closed the door before the rain started. Right. क्या बारिश होने से पहले उन्होंने दरवाजा बंद कर लिया था? Had he closed the door before the rain started. Right. So these are the examples, whole examples about past perfect tense. So now we move on past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. So what will be happen In past perfect continuous tense, we know that past perfect tense we will use helping verb is had plus verb third form. So the same thing has happened with past with this also. And second thing we know that past continuous tense is verb plus ing form. So we just connect both of them and just make this one tense. So how we will make this one? Subject plus had been. This is which is new been had been plus verb verb plus ing form plus object. And one thing is also that verb first form or ing, or we can say that verb ing form, both are the same, right? I said that I will write verb plus ing form, or I will write verb ing form. These both are things are same, right? In negative sentences, subject had not been plus verb ing form plus object. And in interrogative sentences, subject had plus subject plus been plus verb ing form plus object. And in interrogative question words are there WH words. Then we will use WH plus had plus subject plus been plus verb ing form plus object. Right? So these are the structure of past perfect continuous tense. In this you just not know about been, and the other things you know very well about the perfect tense and about perfect continuous tense. So firstly screenshot of that part, then we will move on. Examples past perfect continuous tense. So next is मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. I forget one thing is that subject plus had been plus verb ing form plus object plus time. So time is with everyone. This time is there two parts, since and for. Right? When the time is specific, that I said 2 a.m. It means it is specific. At 2 a.m. I will come at home. So it means it is a specific time. But I said that today at any time I will come home. So it means it is not specific that I will come home at any specific time. So when the time is specific, we will use since. And when the time is not specific, so we will use for. Right? So मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. I had been reading for 2 hours. For 2 hours, there is no specificity that what 2 hours. Which one 2 hours you are reading the book or something else. Right? मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I had not been reading for 2 hours. Full stop. क्या मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ? Had I reading for 2 hours? Right? This is not hour, this is not hour, it is hours. Right? Question mark. वह सुबह से खाना बना रही है. She had been cooked food since morning. Maybe a lot of students will have a question in their mind that why I used since here in morning. So because there is no specificity that in morning which one time she made the food. So one thing is that whenever it's for morning, we will use since. This is specific for morning is since, right? No matter that it is specific or not, but when the morning is written here, you will write since. वह सुबह से खाना नहीं बना रही है. She had not been cooked food, खाना बना, it means food. Cooked food since morning. क्या वो सुबह से खाना बना रही है? Had she been cooked food since morning? Question mark. Right. वे 3 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. वह 3 घंटे से. There is no specificity that which one 3 hours. Right. So we can say the right here. They had been playing. Sorry, there is not cooked. This is cooking because we are using perfect continuous tense. So don't forget to these things also. They had been playing a cricket for 3 hours. Right? वह 3 घंटे से क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे हैं. They had not been playing cricket or playing a cricket for 3 hours. Right? क्या वे 3 घंटे से क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं? Had they been playing cricket for 3 hours? Question mark. Right. So these are 3 examples. Write on your notebook. वह 5 बजे से पत्र लिख रहा था. वह he had been writing a letter since 5 o'clock. Why I write since here? Because 5 बजे से, this is specific that I teach to the students from 5 o'clock, or we can say that he had been writing a letter from since 5 o'clock. So it is specific. वह 5 बजे से पत्र नहीं लिख रहा था. He had not been writing a letter since morning. Since 5 o'clock. क्या वह 5 बजे से पत्र लिख रहा था? Had he been writing a letter since 5 o'clock? Question mark. हम 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रहे थे. हम देख रहे थे, it means we had been watching TV for 2 hours. And there's two things for dekhna. We can say that watch or see, right? But when we will focus on something, that I watch with a lot of focus, then we will use watch. And when you will just go from somewhere and I see something but I'm not focused on it, I'm not think about it, so then we will use see, right? So same the things will happen with hear and listen also. That when you will just focus for something or be attentive for something, like your boss said something to you and you are so attentive on that time, so you can use listen. But when you go from somewhere, or when someone just said to you a lot of things but you are not interested in it, so what you did on that time, you just hear the things, just we can say that एक कान से सुना दूसरे कान से निकाला. So this is all about it. So on that time what we will use is hear, right? So these both things are different to each other, watch and see, and hear and listen. That's why I use here watching, because when we will see or open the TV, then on the time we are so much focused, because we will just maybe like I like Doraemon or Chota Bheem also. So on that time, I'm just so much focused because I'm not like serious and the other things. Similarly, this has happened with you also, that you are just playing Free Fire. On that time, you are just so much focused to watching and playing the game, right? So this has happened with it, like it. Similarly, हम 2 घंटे से टीवी नहीं देख रहे थे. We had not been watching TV for 2 hours. क्या हम 2 घंटे से टीवी देख रहे थे? Had we been watching TV for 2 hours? Question mark. बच्चे शाम से नाच रहे थे. बच्चे it means a lot of children are there, so we can use children. Children had been playing. Children had been dancing for evening or since evening. बच्चे शाम से नहीं नाच रहे थे. From evening, right here, say, because there is बच्चे शाम से, from evening, right? बच्चे शाम से नहीं नाच रहे थे. Children had not been dancing from evening. क्या बच्चे शाम से नाच रहे थे? Is it a question part? Had children been dancing from evening? Question mark. So write down on your notebook. वह आधे घंटे से गाना गा रही है. She had been singing a song for half an hour. And why I use "and" before "are"? Because it is, we think that it is vowel, so why we will use "and" here? But no, when the sound is and "are", then we will write as a vowel, right? This is a lot of people just pronunciation of this is "hour" or "are". Hour, though this is "are". So "are", it means this pronunciation or sounds like vowel. So that's why we write here "and", right? वह आधे घंटे से गाना नहीं गा रही है. She had not been singing a song from, or we can write here for half an hour. क्या वह आधे घंटे से गाना गा रही है? Had she been singing a song from half an hour? Question mark. Next is, मैं 2015 से इस दफ्तर में काम कर रहा हूँ. It means it is specific that he did work from, or he is just doing the work from office from 2015. So I had been working in this office since 2015. Full stop. मैं इस दफ्तर में 2015 से काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I had not been working in this office since 2015. क्या मैं इस दफ्तर में 2015 से काम कर रहा हूँ? Had I been working in this office since 2015? Question mark. So actually, we just write as an interrogative sentence, had I been working in this office since 2015. But No one will be shocked that I'm just doing work from 2015. But sometimes it has happened that I'm 25 years old. Oh my god, so that has happened when just the birthday will be come, and on that time we are just shocked that we are just in class 1 or 2 and now I'm just graduated, and the other I'm just doing job or I'm married or something else. So this has happened when we are shocked and doing from a long time, right? वे लंबे समय से बात कर रहे थे. वे it means they had been talking from or for a long time, right? वह लंबे समय से बात नहीं कर रहे थे. They had not been talking from a long time. Full stop. क्या वे लंबे समय से बात कर रहे थे? Had they been talking from a long time. So the last example is left. वह रात से सो रहा था. He had been sleeping from night. Full stop. वह रात से नहीं सो रहा था. He had not been sleeping from night. क्या वह रात से सो रहा था? Had he been sleeping from night? Sometimes it has happened that I'm just sleep at night at 10 a.m., 10 p.m. and then I just wake up at 12 or 11 p.m. a.m. p.m. So what will be happen is that like I just completed 12 hours or 14 hours, then the pupils will be shocked that he just sleep from 12 hours. So this is the meaning of that one sentence. So our past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will be completed. Now it's completed. So next video we will do future tense, future indefinite tense and future perfect, future continuous tense. If you understand all the topic which I tried to teach to you, so then like my videos, subscribe my channel and share the videos with your groups. Thank you.